So now print length of stuff 3 is available because with 3 words. Next, print stuff of 0 with will be displayed on your screen. Now print stuff with the 3 words will be displayed. For W in stuff, print W again with 3 words will be displayed on your screen. Understand? This is called string and list. Next, here splits. Split breaks a string into parts, produce the list of strings. With thank of 3 in words, we can access a particular word or loop through all the word. Right here, that is best suitable, best example is this one only. Now, see, line is equals to a lot space of spaces. They have given so much space. Now, split. See, every white space character. So if you give a large amount of space also, that it will take only one character. Here, A is one split, lot is another split, off is another split, spaces is another split. 4 they have break into your given list. Line is equals to first, second, third. Thing is equals to line dot split. Print thing. Here first, second, third. Print line 1. Thing is equals to line dot split. Colon separator. Right? So first, second, third. Print length of a string. Then how many are there? There are 3 things are, items are available, elements are available. See, that is what, when do you not spaces, right? So delimiter called a delimiter, multiple spaces treated like only one delimiter. You can specify what delimiter character to use the splitting. Next, see, so some example they have given from Stephen dot Marquard @uct.ac.za sat jan 509 that 14:16 2008. Then fand is equals to open of short.txt, so we can convert it into the text. So you are sending, so just like a file programming. For line in f, line is equals to line dot r strip, read strip. So if not line, starts with from colon continue words line dot split, print words that will be displayed on your screen. Print words of 2. So what is the 2? Then that 2 will be displayed on your screen. Right? This is called the writing splitting of your entire the content splitted. Whenever the white space character will allow, at the time they split it. Right? Next, the double split pattern. See here, sometimes we split a line one way and then grab one of the written of the line and split that pieces again. See here, from Stephen dot Marquard @uct.ac.za sat jan, okay, space 509 colon 14 words is equals to line dot split of the given entire the line. Email is equals to word of someone. Right? Next, the double split pattern. See, similar kind. Line dot split, email is equal to word of one, pieces is equals to email dot split at the rate. So you can splitting like, so cut down. Finally, you split off entire the given list, given a string. Next, these are the double split pattern. I can show you in the program. Okay. Then next, see here. So items is equals to 111. See, items is equals to 111 comma 22 222 comma 333. So then display items then 11 111 222 333. Length of items 3 will be given. List of item of 0, then 111 will shows his output. Item of 3. So there is no third index. That is what shows. Once you are not in a list, then exception will be raising. That exception is trace back. Most recent call loss file std in line 1 in a module. So index error will come. That index is out of range. So your range is 3 means 0 to 2 only. But you are asking for third variable, third element, third indexed element. That indexed element is not available. Then exception will be raised. Your exception is out of bounds, out of range. Next, list 1 comma 2 comma 3. See here, you are using as the list is the function symbol, but list is you are using square brackets. Please remember, list of 1 comma 2 comma 3. So you list of you are using square brackets 1 comma 2 comma 3. Then trace back most recent call loss line number 1, most one argument 3 given. This is the problem. List of this one inside 1 2 3 means that is a string. So you can convert it to 1 is a string, 2 we can split, 3 we can split, but these are the strings operation because you are using as quotes. Quotes means string operation. Then list comma 2 comma 3, 1 comma 2 comma 3 will be displayed on your screen. So list of in list 1 comma 2 comma 3, then it will shows 1 2 3. If you want to add append method, if you want to insert, you can specifically mention. So which element you want to insert it on which position? 0th position -1 you can put. Simple. See -1 comma 222 comma 333 comma 444. Next, pop from the right. Pop from the right. Pop will be removed at the last because last in first out. Pop operations are stack operations. Stack operations, stack will follow first in last out. That so we can remove at the last of the given list. Next, so now items is -1 222 333. So iterate. How can you iterate the previous list? For your name is item, in items you are taken some a list of items. Your counter variable is item, in items colon print item comma item, then item colon -1, item colon 111, item colon 222, item colon